ato abayi no na MPP amanyuko no wababa be do no wababa be Ghana man pe ntime pacho emu nkomo no eye na jeze ukuoda bia 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. live on Sompa TV, Sompa 93.1, Sompa 98.9, Sunyane Sompa 90.7 and Kranza na Afita 1 TV orwani chemu akra live one meboa na ne madeda di so no etimi era ma ahwehwe ho ache ni na ze watransia ache ama to asintine twetwon ewram wo so atwo bebi ane ewram wo hye mo so wahwe entimi entu ara mo bia na chese ebe dinye papa zo so no dabi no oba no aba be na to wahwe kra na eba bebubu eno ne ye fe ne sciatica bia ba kope ena akwa na unya fa wudie na aboa ama wegia na so ere 21st clinic enye no nko a omobre ne aboa ya ye no fruti so eba be su na ase na wegia na so na hyehyɛ na koyie pa etimi era ma se stroke diabetes no ye rene etu ase okwa omo lab kese a ye bedoso na baby aye ne hye no ya hwe aso ano ere ama na scan services no enso ewura mu etimi edi ama nkomodi anim no Friday bia na otwena kwari apem no tofa ho ne ye ma massage ni bi o mesa aboa de machine treatment no etimi asa ka more than 15 branches Ghana bia Omo ebo ejuma Kumasi ano enwe overseas junction omo be na free radio oboase council court escort junction nyomo Accra Dome market obenyo omo sunyane nkranza techiman baby a omo eye ejuma 0249 311 311 0249 311 0540 311 0540 311 yemboa na ne madeda di enfama drinks ni emienu pe onji bimbo ya wakechi ba ku ye mixer 5G na ba money nduaba akabom na yede aye be mo ahoden sonko cafe sembia eni me boa na so egia na so na nema akoye peda ma Ghana o ma adwena de benya no grapes no ebo modin aye yemu niama no ye ye nwedwuma jensen no eyi ntini ma moja no edi efusani ye pa ye mema ne de kra emi esisi ne mu ye den omo a e na bo modin de miso fruit drinks na ba na drink amu ede akono emu api oba wa mi se tamti na ye na ba gabeni to na ba de dodo na ba be hiem no mixer 5G miso fruit drinks wabo modena odi ama hoho no mobo a na ma uzampa akwa na bejuma ogiana na so pebo ma ne madaye pa etimi ara manti fana ma nkomodi bia ne mpemfondi ye bebo na ansa ke 0246 270221 and 0558 106348 0246 270221 and 0558 106348 no afre na on mpemfo di nkomo ope ebi urwani chemo ahwe overseas 21st clinic on manager Daniel wabenya bi Mama Esther Outcome Royal Ventures mepacho Watra Baptist University Ebuakwa obo ejuma PNC Ventures Anomanji Taxi Station LC Charity Hospital no na chess also bo modi agibi na Sachi Enterprise Asafo Abinchi LC VIP car park no ye boana ne madeda yepa etimi ara mana tetem so na no pay ya na Liberia man no e baba be rama wo Ghana ha na omba be du ye no emu nkomo ne chess La Palm Royal Hotel horo makwa akwa mo adwa no chena yere 4 p.m. no ye ne o man Ghana etimi era boani na aboa manema koyi pre etimi edi amaye na game no mu nkomo no ene sere ntoto ye ne esi etie ne akase e-ticketing edine no hwesere hyehyɛ no esi etie ne de mpinfori aba be rama VIP mania 70 Ghana VIP wins ne 50 Ghana center line 30 Ghana na popular stand no enso no ne 20 Ghana enti star 711 star 711 network bia na wabo modin agye onso no o ticket no akwa support Ghana na aboa na nema deda din pa etimiara mana mun komo na lady sedu edidi din komo akra akanyo oba begina mu bo adwuma e wo no ankasa ne krom Kumasi ne Black Stars ne bono sele nema city ma no komo se no dijai.
Me playing in Kumasi, I think it's a very great experience for me, and this is my first time playing in Kumasi, so I was so happy playing in front of my people in Kumasi. For me, representing my country, I think it's a big privilege for me, and it's a very special thing in my career because all footballers are dreaming to play for their motherland, and me playing for my motherland, I think it's a big achievement for me. Yeah, as me born in Kumasi, I have a lot of fans in Kumasi, and people chanting my name. I think it always boosts me when I'm on the pitch, and when I hear people chanting my name, it always encourages me to give everything to the fans for them to enjoy more. No, I didn't underrate any team, you know. I know now football, all the players know how to play, and they presenting their country. I think they have a lot of qualities, so I always concentrate. I always try to give everything. I don't underrate anyone, so I play my football and I continue to work harder. Yeah, my message to Ghanaians is they should continue to support us. With the players, we're gonna give everything to make them feel happy, and I think we're gonna prove them more for the upcoming matches in the tournament.
Atiano ye command ya lead seru apo moderi atu ya na no ba e ba beje fans mu fans pa the OTI leadu na Ghana no sa prepare me kai maybe twa na baba Raman jina na so pa okotoko no obobo na man fans but do baby Ghana for mani anto se baba ye national team you agbache obetimi e captain amana ye ne edi hu sa ama ne baba di man pra na ba ma pra no kra no Liberia game no ntimi ambo bi ni ade a diana e ha dwen kakra na ye ka se Ghana ye bo Kumase no West Ham United o mo fan ba ko efimu e wo London e ba be ra mo Kumase e ba be support Kudus Mohammed na oni ni hia nra ewo bibia Ghana yetim na wo nkran pattern no mo hia no nkomodidie no se na nkomo ha etimi ede emano na ene nkomodidie on peace FM Uncle George Fie bo modern a one dan kwaku ye bo atwetwe nkomo akra na didi kan no biza no ze ne ye ba bonten ese ye disqualify no na appeal no ne ho nkomo no wa bo modern ya appeal no nchemusi no dija.
Yes, my responding. As at last Friday, even though my client up to end 5 p.m. so you be responding no. Friday na notice of appeal the file here them are grounds of appeal and the cry is the additional grounds the account the as far as I'm concerned yeah appeal appeal fee no cry into kakra ba ho esan say imra no the be anywhere prescribe how much or see a GOB so person appeal against such decision as compared to all the other judicial bodies. Could be a Ubobo, Nasebia Division 1 case riba na unye satisfied now be appeal here Premier Women Football Status Committee, all the other we referee, Nasebia DSMBT all the other but when it comes to the elections committee and the elections appeal for elections, it's not prescribed in the statutes intino among for nebu timuchere and say in 2000 yeah
Atiano ye command open power bomb on the timere to jan after no and as in nam graphic muze ni opeze case no de ko ekokura mo cars na on cars so sense no say no bomb de kasafa
minim be graphic free ba e bia na wo hu bibia mimi hu here but as far as I'm concerned I'll go through the process. I'm a student of the game. I understand our statutes and regulations. Election. This is my 5th time. Remember, in 2005, I contested for executive committee position. In 2011, I contested. In 2015, I contested. In 2019, I contested for the position of president. In the Mako election, and we are very much abreast with statutes and regulations, and I'll use the proper channel to seek redress.
Atiano ye komo bomode etimiere tu ya after no se nei already ehwese nema isi etiena de bi no ore na nsem no ne sere nema isi kono ba ku mi bi anda na dia every president ne be ko akwa akura mo court de no so se no bomode ehyehyem
me emre bi ba wo ye football emu a ye da sorry anopa no na you see yoko I even did ye fair sisa ye competence sisa bibia ye pepema ama na timi agina association animu e di yoko akokot yenye obi aji George free if I find out say ura to keku no person use ni namfo ni oni prosperity na do mo namfo e no dey set committee no person dey disqualify me I will personally take into committee so me
Atiano ye command open pano apomodi etimi edia ni na boa mane makoye permana mikicha so akasa na mikicha za cheche ne mamu a na onozo ne nkomo diere afa abato no se no bomode dia
Tusuna clear on elections committee article 54. Also the elections committee is the body in charge of organizing and supervising the election process in accordance with the provisions of these statutes and the elections regulations of the GFE. The elections committee shall be made up of 5 members. Or shall be made up of 5 members, including at least 1 woman and a lawyer who shall be chairperson. Now, all your regulations, okay, clear. Sompa composition here. The elections committee shall be composed as follows: a chairperson, a vice chairperson, 3 ordinary members, And I'll say an appropriate number of substitutes shall also be appointed by the Congress of GFA. Now, okay, I say now, also the elections shall appoint a secretary from among its members who shall be responsible for the related logistical matters and who shall take care of administration matters. Now, the person who they say, now the vets in a course who are least and me and you hope me share that of 100 and you correct me. If I at now committees no we are 6. A rapper for a friend Marian Sewa Mensa, no can't be more 6. Ain't you mo ko any nyane no le boy.
Enti amo ye command pimpa na bombo de atu ya je de omo ko eni nyina no null and void. Na wo hwe se de nema esi etie ne command esiti abombo de akenkan bra ni bia ebo ma na ma dadi perama teams no guso omo release omo jerseys a omo de bebo adwuma next season le grand cities abombo de ewi omo de aba na omo home jersey ni ne uzo omo colors na there's a red and blue now no more bomb de aye adwuma na we jersey no so no every year papa last season omo de adwuma no as a yellow ebo amane makoye pa etimi ere ma Aduana Football Club ano pare ebo modin a home no ye pa ho to me de cheo di home no na sha agumba anini a home na efe pa red design we no we afizu we so me shebi eye den a wo se me shebi na we no so efe pa di Aduana Football Club no eno ye nhihye omo ya eboa manema dadadina bibia akoyeda meba na mababeto ansem no so etimi era manamo Fridays bia Kings are ewramu kama pa etimi era ma no nan ekokosi no nsia anwumre na team na transe awura etimi era man piere ma sin Central Rabo Kennedy Japan or you be odeno skadio obi ye pa na pa no enso ya adoye papa wabo amankofo da eso abamu edi amoma na abrabo nim no omoni na mu anema ekoyi kama so no etimi ere mom na igi7 se opimpa no ye transition Kings ana ye didi di nkomo ma hu abrabo pa wabo ne hihye pa wa ye ri amoma Ghana aboa enye nsusu anso pa wonkofo abrabo so tia obondi ntie wo so obomode na uta na china de bi no obeda mpipi amanyo ku na no na afi ye to oba yi no na oba be Ghana mampanyi ntime pa Kings a e fie de bia no nan kokosi no nsia live on Sompa TV, Sompa 93.1, and I feel Sompa 90.7 and Kranza, Sompa 98.9, Sunyane, na wa usene shisheno. Isi eti mamia pi, zemen kancho zene ya ebi edu nyabra, na omwa na oye bema na ne otedwa no muedu, na esanwa, na eswa, nyamie shao, ezanse nkofo ebrepa, ketwa, one ladies nishi ewie no na omo na machi, twantan, ti, mze Beam Nation for ne de, omo didama nyame, ne show omo pa, di ne transition from Waisa to Beam Nation, ebe ne kama pa, edi amana de no ayidu, na ye ba chinse banchidua, ti hu ana niema hye no akase, me be den wa hwe, na obedi sikazo bedaji these are prepare na also hwe na ewura ma ye nyini e prostate ne ye kese 1-2 ana mo bia da bi no e baba be chode wato a emmo ama nso no na jesa de dede no nhuni de ni bi mtini na ma me ne hwe etimi eso ano eno nso krechi ndami ayo bre no we yeri fiolo spend count ore eboa baby girls no ore aboa ma center boot no de bi acheche ayede aya akono na jesa asundwe so no etimi abefie bo so mesu bunsa na e count dwe ma me abi na de ba ko e mama me ne unique ne ze ene twa ya ba ko a animguase egu nkofo bebre nim ase e wa asase we so na wo resere won community ati a wadu nipam na afi na e baba yi no ho eno kwa amaame na obo ne dwe ni nyina nze nyame nam no so a obesa ya kama pa na eno so echi no sekese won sensem akwada na yeso onyindu bebi obefiri mu no ni nyina amaame ne we ebo ama ne makoye de makwa na so sekese test no ye scan test no ye tano so apatrapa new site o obena apatrapa junction no 0243 345392 0243 na 0506 460208 0506 460208 nomwa na ne manko ye print me emfa mana na na Bismarck Obi Mensa ehia nsentwofo ne omudidi di nkoma na ze fan ba akoko na okenze coach ye formation isuro asasi super free back na free back ne do bi back room ahwa bikuye na mayehu system a ode baba free team no baba bo na aboa mane makoyi say no bomo de din nkomo no
seriously to play in this system I think it all depends on the quality and type of players that we have and no system we will choose. We have been used to 3 back and you're surprised you're saying that 3 back system not useful. For me 3 back system is one of the modern attacking system. Use more defending, but it's an attacking system. So it's not even about that. It's about maybe most of the time your opponent the players available to you. Then you decide on the type of tactics you play to, and then you raise it and execute it in practice. So don't be worried about it too much. We just need your support. In Yamankoya, you have the right to say this in a very objective way, positive way. Just to, not to discourage the team, but rather you can speak your mind. So leave those systems for us. That is why maybe we are here. I have a very experienced person who is working with me. I'm also a result-oriented person. I really want a result and want to win.
Tia no ya command your bomb de timere tu jani na bo ma ne ma deda ye pa timere mo na fi league ne de me ze enyaje fa na ye ku anim na wo abedi agro no be wiwie bi ma be all teams no ebi mo aboabo mo asie pa na no mo ze dia no mo expect mo first 5 games no dia ne ro me timere ma be United and so say no bomb de tu ja.
But seriously, as I said, I have said it here. We really want to start well. We really want to start well. And also keep a very good consistent performance and results. So that is the focus. And when you focus like that, then you need to work towards it. And so we make sure that the players function well, their behavior on the field. We are always meeting management on the welfare of players because it all comes in when you want to result from players. So we going to make sure that things are done in the right way, at least to meet every demands in the halfway for the players to have that concentration to work. So we do well in every game. We want to do well, whether home or away. The expectation to
Tia no ye command your pimpano abomo de dia ni na bo ma ne ma de da ye pre team ye da mo na no akrobia against Isatraman game no and the obi antimi amposo ne yonkwate na coach Maso Akunadu era na ye ram na nkomodidi ebizanze last season ade ba kwa na din so atremanya pa ya o ma we matches no away matches no no mo kwa na emfa na waba idea na ade kan wona abo na bibibia ade da din.
Last season issues na away main team because I wasn't there, but Mahusana mentally certain players, not all, certain players were a bit weak mentally. Think so we were saying that's our mentality, we don't push the limits. Till now my team never be touching away. And then I said but we have made them to understand say game be also fight for last season
Tia no ye command your bomodin hedia ni na mo na ebo na ne ma deda ye kama pa so na timira one after no ye ze wabai a target ne sen ye de ma Nsuatema we go for ready mo zo de experience na wo no bebo na ne ma deda ye da ma team no say no bomodin de command jai.
I've just started. They know how to do it. For now, they ain't me come here for now. Here's a local league. Why they say it's a small club, and we have to our targets.
Tia no say komo bomodin etimi ade tuja na afie bisa no ze ne akwanya na baldin Nsuatema boy de tia Krahat folk ne krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko no no so de na oka e de fa on say no bomodin ade tuja.
Playing but they do their best when we come here. I don't know I play role because boys were willing to be with their from the one I started training, training about this all the time until the team is almost ready for the juniors. Having said that, second half, people really show signs of weakness. We had to make changes to stop them. And I'm saying,
Eltiamo, ye command helping pana bomo de to ya. Nana gomia, ma me shall say for fusing in command ya na yin ramu. Bishop.
Right.
Na o de me five ze command de what be bre ni adia.
I mean ni kan mo agama. Kinslo Sebonsu. And Lozico. And then
Sompa Sports.
United. You see the professionalism they are displaying.
Agama ni Kinslo Usu Acha. And a Kinslo Zebusu Lozico, Besro. And that
you Usu Achang. Gama,
Mr.
President. What could you do? Probably out on chain. So, Benya coach no bet now. Actually, say, I'm to suffering central for you, so be Amra. Na ne won't be our mecca. In fact, the level of professionalism being exhibited here, it's very good. And for me, behind to chain look. no mo ye obechim eso ani ye papa na ye bon abaso Kobe any bechim this is not the first time.
Yes.
2 Ghana up coaches so money adwuma pa ba ko no oye development coach nti no hye na adwuma so Red Bull and Awafa no.
Oh, okay.
Bechim players no more de baba team no na they would want to improve and sell. Until we to say Arafat, could you say Sompa Sports? I'm pretty sure this is a very good thing for them. But his love for the back three means that obit me a bo or circle for any Reagan plus one more person came for.
Yeah.
Eronisel.
Encore.
It's a Ghana.
Encore. Well, last time we didn't come on with your mom plans or more yet. The only I continue to do. Among 4 months, she was
say about meet my quite any time.
Oh, okay.
Until say as papa, even that Kimful is capable.
Yeah.
So when some about back 3 in terms of her materials not one. And when who your person here, and no this or yeah, I'm pretty optimistic saying you're more sure honor. Ebe
I'm going to crowd.
Then I pass out. You pass out in the canary.
Two questions about that. 2 questions.
But you baby.
I mean, I was last season and I was here. Why you who plays about that? A year, as a dear today we are. The ones that you for like of a boy.
Precious boy.
Ah,
that
was all. And I was a book for Swasaba. Hello, Kusi Swaba.
Back to Batandi.
Keneswan Kobe.
Tanzania for the young man. Bright as Saba.
Keneswan Kobe.
No problem. I don't know
by the loan alone. Imagine alone. Magic Police car was a cozy player. Magic Police car was a cozy player. Hey! Hey, Diana, me who near you.
Tininyabu trainer, I didn't maybe go up Ebe Jones. Liberia, but you see, playing some of these games is very important for the Black Stars. You mean your crown and next international break and say, I'm more qualifiers. Can go compete team no baby, no money training, sir. Who's the unique cohesion?
Yeah, and they're hard dream pa.
I don't say, if I know training
sports.
So, team bear cohesive. Training page so now, bet me, I am a team na cohesive. Tia best, sir, Omonko, no Cambum. Na no man team in conquer. Now no what's no way. Julian no agent car. And then I'm yasi. Every president no promise the best referee man car.
Yeah.
Already made promise no, which is good. Princess, any Mariam Ponsa issue. A go what's name masi.
As them they hard you.
A go what's name masi. Yom got na hoye na just one moment of indiscretion.
Destroy Bibia.
Destroy Bibia. Because this borders on criteria. And the basis for awarding somebody, I could fire FA Cup and a league goes near Kabul.
And they award Nama
Goal King, top scorer, award, the world over. You're sure you don't know the man. Just a kuruma. Okay. Someone best player of the year.
Sports.
Mariam Ponsa, top scorer, Princess. Okay, best say Bibi.
SDBBA.
Nessa mwana munim ni ampesa muyenti. At the fair minister ko jina kan wiase mbrofu nyina FA president ko kan mbrofu nyina. Ye hu se sa sebi. At the secretary ejana. Tuntum na fitani tuaso.
Na me benye ayi GFA o sa ka believe say ayi Tosco so mo nominate gofo.
Who nominate
Bibi our power. Hello, me hu ye na be say ade wi. E dey assemble ba. Bishop Obeka said that be say BBC o. Na dabi o. Tosco award la who nominate obi say. E yo no la juba la kasa ba no.
Omo ye joint.
Ze MTV cap we say le joint. Ayi Samuel Adumentwi and Abdomana Fuma. Na won dem obochebo. Na gay ya uzo no ana she goes to do. Enti mi hu ya na me say na Tosco award ze za be negu tete di. Ya uze ya be negu tete da Bishop wa she goes ro pa. Na bia Adumentwi a she goes ayi kakra. Na ye de na ayi wi a osu o she FA Cup goes ti wa ba be she league ti no ma nominate Tosco as Bishop ye nominate Tosco. Me who ya na me who dwiri me na mo na enya Ghana e fa na do we be.
Omo fa Ghana award nko no. Top scorer no e yo no. Na so mbe best player dey ama Sugar Baby Mariam Ponsa omo nye fa ma no. Award only be kai.
Asala Lewandowski beje Ballon d'Or. Okay, obu create top scorer for the year. Because Honor who is award there be call the ama. Lionel Messi ba ya ho hia. The create top scorer award. E the Lewandowski se beje. E bi was beje. The fa ko because we obi dia. We na ho da ho bra mo kabom na mo hunu de giga kona na.
Oro akobia. I don't know the answer is last time we born nominees no. Me ya na me say na Krober so na top scorer na yenim say akomia we na hyegu. E top scorer nominate obi.
I'm even shocked.
Oh nominate no what capacity?
We don't nominate top scorer because the numbers are there. Who found out the award na man?
But is it the bishop he can o my ya ma Mary no kra say no ho ya nkofon yi ba Mary nya hwe.
Yes.
And no deserve or a best player. Ghana chi.
Yes.
But how we na ya sanje dey aka no.
Ojam 17 goals in 18 matches. This is crazy. Mo fa award no command na munya dem mo church.
No do kan say. Ya quantity ya be ka bi fa so be no so.
Abayo ko mo di team ye ko division 1. Colleagues do the man no so do ko see dem a.
What team you had
somebody scoring 17 goals in 18 matches. My way enye no enye mo nim gu asefo na mo te won ma mo yes anu man. Bibia ma yete sese bi ko treja 9.
Sompa Sports. Bibia be se ka wase.
Mo ye bibia kama na mo ja bibi kakra bi di atato adan mo nko ade nko na mo je.
Ghana nko ale a was nominate top scorers.
No, Mariam Ponsa is the best player in the country now. The best women's player in the country.
Wafu nyina akoya action.
Akoya action one. So give her best player award.
That's it. Best player.
That's it. Then the top scorer you give it to Abayo Anono so kwani baby. Oh, manya de. Now I'm even shocked say yeah, Madam Habibata should have also spoken on behalf of some of these things because we're part of the school.
Other call can be.
Somebody awards committee.
Awards committee said I know said awards committee will definitely have to report to a mom year ahead of them. And I know say most of the school members will be aware of I'll be very surprised if none of them know. Me very surprised. We're gonna organize it at the end.
We are awards committee no one do.
But just say could be sir.
We say in charge 24 hours we be papo dia my.
I don't know gusu.
We also here we also maybe say last time. Me who nominees na about team who say ya nominates o ye be top scorer na me say how menti ase wa come ya top scorer dey say balate abena wo tete dey ye de mani na bo say ya nominate top scorer as we esre pa
this is 12 by EP or FA Cup Premier League dey for ojab ye baba top scorer yesterday bi asubesi bi o share 10 goals for EFL Cup wa say o share 5 goals for FA Cup we dey make league goals for it the top scorer league la dey about the purpose of ada idea la we yes we dey afali say we fa ball so dem correct the double fra baba wala bo fa man why so they just stage so kra la bo dey be na madaroba mun fa chiri na dey mun pe bibi kama bi na mo dem fa top scorer le mo so Malise league lo ni nyae na mo fa man no ada idea asem kra eli mo ye bibia je se ka wasem
me Ghana e de
o mo ye bibia je se ka wasem adai na mo asem bi mi asuta nya mo fere mo hu sa de we anya sa de award akoba di pe adai na mo ye sa o ma be ni atibi oh how would the lady feel asem the credit before you be back at
my boy mo beto
ya to we
GF abana meka don't it intense in komo bini ade from George Fie na so e ma dey say the lawyer no kokudu or the hard copy na ikono omozi omo man kwa mani ura if in the premises so na omo na GF president na instruct omo say mo man kwa man emfasa krata dem bromo ti update if you ba no the Ghana Football Association obo secretariat and our team commodity and said name is Sompa Sports. Now weekend is a league in Benyabo.
A bombay. Nothing is so clear.
But then a coso.
I mean, a lot is happening behind the scenes.
A job in the found days or the crater by intent, say na Obiam Peso Bisum. I want say.
I'm gonna to be an answer from Kakra. Nana believe date e ba area o share to asem la ala atura ala ba.
Oh debi enye saa o say me ba o. Yeti ye chen kofo ehwe asua de ne ade. Obu abontin krebi onim chen e ba akonya ne nya na abetra.
Okay.
Na Bishop Kokofa go ken asem de bae. Na the interest in say ni ze top square de ye nominate. Be bae ne ni nominate mayo ani bi.
Top square ye nominate.
Dabi. Abet na go tete de won de tozo no. Ghana Premier League on.
Ni be bi kra double top square.
Ntimi mi hu girls ne de. E na me see issue beba. Ti wudi hu nkomo esi ana obi so atia me na so se de esi wo Ghana Football Association. Omo secretary to no. E na me catch no this open ba no so ka so no. Ono de e koso no so wiem no hu se KTS okraku. Ene lawyer Prosper Isenado. Ne now fo ni bi. Ana o ma transfer on person mo fa kwati kwan bi su yi ne fim. No ehwima no hu se sa na tie pepe on fa nche no de every president ne be court. What one say about no so de o ma areho ne say ye catch eze asem na kwa kopi mo court. Nti yan twintwen bibia so. But we din hu se krata we ababonte say ya disqualifying Kofo. Yes,
Ebasana injunction no to stop the whole process of the elections. So definitely anything that should come out of when you can breach. There also be any single process concerned with the election should be stopped. Per the injunction allowed to group some other coy. What I say. It's me George be ebe fa akodi. But sometimes I yes the problem we hunu ni pakura wo tete afan wo di so. But the question comes in is that these things na sa na obenya di pakura na na sa obetima me akere na kokko tenya susu so no. You need to prove beyond reasonable doubt to ascertain say nipa na we say sunti no the original so aye say. Ana say wakoye nipa kro ni say. Ana ama na original so de ba be dey. E duma bi say ba be do. Whatever process George wants to go through, me I'm okay with it. The law is there to be tested. Abu what the mention no. Emra no e wo honum say e be di obi am aye dey. Ya kan one asem na e dey akogina asem di bia. Ya toto wan ya bobo ho asem. So if George wants to test the law, George should push further. E ono ani sika na ba say 50,000 ashimana.
On send there. Abasi ashim.
And the George should push forward. Go 50,000 this sebeshim party. Abu 50,000 sebeshim na Ghana mremu de 50,000 sebeshim. I'm not saying George does not have money or something of that so, but also Etoribia one pushing hard to gain something that you've actually wished for. Me person me beye GFA president. What push ya to the limit so you see Kenya na ko shimo beye. Then just one thing be ba US in Chabra who feel say at the corner the US film no. In this self at say was the EU film. You push towards and do whatever you want to do to achieve it.
Ubisa, I was saying that would there be elections? About time the people in power in this country start speaking to the FA people. They could easily plunge this normal thing into chaos. Georgia Free and the lawyers called GFA premises or to submit hard copies of a more appeal that they've been denied entry.
Yes.
I mean how? Security man is over instruction from the FA president they should not be allowed to enter.
Yeah.
News are all on.
They may boba no they meeting no.
I mean how? Huh? I mean how? How? How do you do that? Election now will be an imza win area no. Man koto. Koku even Sir George Free in the case of these actions.
I just say Boapayo.
Thank you.
The Baby see the sanity. Now I go for who I'm taking.
Me gusto making. Okay. You need your money account number no your money you
must. Back out to you job. Let me say agenda by pa. Correct agenda by pa. Hey. Agenda man be on my account na could do this.
Yeah, but also I go job we be shishi o. I want we relax busy o mu say there be cost for Ghana. Ansana okay, me bubu sa bele buku obviously sa bele krade buda. But I said we no leave the license for there. I think Ashanti could have a level of confidence in say case, you know. They had to find a way through it and find their way out of the situation. That is how it is. But you know, on the Abu Miji to me say Obia wo bia so tested the law against the GFA do so. And as I'm really jinemu na yenya nto process ne so no. Eno na bia obeya ohwehwe mu bia betima ye ohwehwe mu ni nyina awie. Na is all be push out that's all prepare kuku na to no man is kuku no ya to. Ti grusa de ne bonchen na de so bonchen. Ese mu mienu nyina mo bogum se de be amuti ba na no. Menu blue web ko menu blue case bi wa ha se minim so adwen ko so a. O se do some stipulated amount bi na se tra.
GFA president in the time was soon as or started it was the following month just or quarter term meaning say one drink course wa one drink course wa time na ye de man so mbra office e de bibia hye ne sa so mbe ye adwuma no a day and 2 days ko ato aso na yi nyanto aba na still carrying out the activities now you who say wakote term which is not supposed to be allowed they are so be Ebasa was a vice president in the stepping and work during that period of time whilst the president is not part of the administration because when is on Renaso until also contain kwatana baby it imrane there MCA akoko ye dem say I didn't delay a man so train any court no de bia ibenya issue de bia bu dia before for beba ye da sori bia for beba but abu metime di nkomo akafa be Chim United
ya beba be Chim United ye no so ba mahu Zenny said an uncommon ACA Bobo, a team at the bar, the Ram no on Vincent Atenga Adai, and Ore said in community officially Atenga de Kratibia Babonte in Juma or Babayen or Mediamano, Abane we near dia T Ora La Casette, Roberto Sona, Yabo Modena, Yaher for no more Muti and so said in my so appreciation. It's been an amazing journey. And I couldn't have asked for a better club, supporters and management team by my side for all these years. Thank you for the incredible memories and unwavering support. Vincent Atinga Adai. So Aromia, Atinga confirms the baby do nejumano or Baba Baby or Baby, Bema Baby, or Mamma Yinina, Aquapim, or Ne Mediama Sporting Club Limited. An easy woman so no I was on a coco yeno. Ghanaian League in the so a best player, but officially or the above things a baby jumana quaduno. Aquapim. Otimi Niomo and to us be intimidated to be room be from our call. Etimi aquaco to us, you know, Fafi baby Fafi and uncle.
I think Mediama lose a very experienced player, but definitely love life they will move on. I quite remember how Vincent Atinga came to House of Folk. Sika more time, you know, Ben and them but definitely became a steward in the defense of Ghana, a chant team, no. Wafu tournament, Waji the league in a long period of time.
Sompa Sports.
And I feel say, until Vincent Atinga, the MSA Abu, said the MSA, the Ayana, the Udonko. Oh, okay. Come on, do a church, says, almost to Tom, my own messenger, Vincent Atinga. Oh, okay. Okay. Abu say na ko body say Vincent Atinga pay 2 years on person man 1 year international
and I win the about thing say they are there you wanna see
one say when you me free what chiri safa
yeah when you say about
Abu we anya real statement ke ti me pa
ahoya
basi ya Ghana ha de basa ne bo no kra wo suru sese gina yi so akra it was a father bas or craddy there was all father but also your academic homano. It is 2 years no pen or mama no 1 year.
Oh, for Africa and
for Africa and they need him because what full experience in I think is one of the best center backs in the country. Solid consistency. And a difference of one multiple no year system, but I think has been relevant in the system for all these years. Very relevant. Our system. I think the way the more maybe now because experience play I consider so you need experienced players within the setup. Ibrahim Yaro so you need players team no they can help or my match guide or more that an annual team yakuyi. Now eduma kese pan da hono de ma coach Kobe Mensah a big job. They do a big job near so one you need not only to get results for Chim United but you're supposed to play beautiful football.
Yeah.
Chim would it be a tun chair and to be a minimum the ane home. My Yakomo yes a Ghana Arsenal. Omo Ben League in one.
Naza
Diego. Omo boss or mobile fe. Sasana Arsenal. Omo for Ben League and Ira. Lutate or Herman in family or Arsenal.
Sompa Sports.
By no Kurano. Oh, it's Bechembono. It told you could watch and you feel like now when what the league no more pana last season. They were very close, they were consistent, and they were getting solid results away. And you feel no more fish, didn't always want to be more. And crucial wins be away and very good. And the standard of Coach Mingle, they was set it to also now the longest serving coach or one team or Ghana Premier League, and some of the conditions.
Yes.
Now, aside say we are coaching now, Oban, longevity to be here. It's a commence Obana within 1 year. Everyone you home academy so more form. And also establishing the team say you'll be measured according to what Mingo year in 3 years, not 1 season. To 4 years, no. Not 1 season. It be bien. Commence baby Abu. On function the team say became for no, we expect more. Or something at the level of what Coach Kasim Mingle. It me what's a lucky? Abu Dhabi yasa the technical director sabe dey. Abe pay also. Also experience. Technical director no technical director mu champion. Over 13 years. Wa year adwuma na che onimu experience no wo ho. For better players in Bra, he knows what to do. It is a performance now amfa. Na points no so ntimi amfa Abu Dhabi. I'm sorry to say Kobe have a very tough task to achieve at Bechem United. And now we say player be up so we are need waba. And Abu Arafat nko e dey na brought to replace Kofi Agbasima na plus. What the be chelase no. Clinton mo be ko de Ernest o medru maybe o be ko de. But I believe say Bechem wo the right system to make sure say play away free more fufuro ba no so ye dey. E strong enough so betima fete. It Kobe not only are you supposed to give Bechem United results, but people will be expecting beautiful football from Bechem United. It's a fashion trim. C'est standard na Bechem dia to wono. Bechem nye 4th or 5th team. Bechem level no bro Karela so. Bechem level no ene se ka Ghana Premier League na Olympics na nanom de a ache de. But Abu Olympics level no ni Bechem de, they say gap them. They say Bechem standard top 4 in the Ghana Premier League. Second or third. What one nya de kra na nye Bechem nya ne 4th. Bechem now am no kase Abu Dhabi. Omo ye FA Cup semi-finalist at that particular level. Bechem enye no more quarter finalist and one of 16 finalists when it comes to the FA Cup.
Last 2 seasons grabs all call final.
Or final cry. So Bechem standard ne wono. When you achieve anything less than semi-final with this Bechem team, we a failure. Or achieve anything less than 4th with this Bechem team, we a failure. It's the oman and inaho. No making sure so benya the best output of this particular team. And I born so shena nyefa Bechem for na mo fa won chow. They've seen beautiful football and they have quality within that team near Juma Coach Mengo Bede. Way a chance in the mount. But to Misa and then fan out. Then Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Abu Dhabi Kotoko. Eramubo goalless. Adeba Kwame say oh no maybe favor this particular carry regime now was somewhat says. Another team anymore, and I say Momon Premo on the Bianco really games. Yeah. So when they have test games like this and they want to make sure somebody may achieve BBA. I think say it is quite good enough. But from reports, I didn't come over you know. Abu Hanrian's unya very good game, boy.
Nay, bo prefuse.
So nimne pa. Intina me buza say unya very good game. Because matete nkomo bi wo masuma. Me no opportunity anko game ni bi. Na me ni stadium. Una akoye. Ba me tie kasa yemu na ni padodo na no. Hanrian's de to ne level anobo breku Chelsea na we na ya na.
Me how there.
Oh, there be unim no.
Nay, but ansuna minim no betima ye de chance.
Obetima de chance. It won't pay them.
Yeah, betima de chance.
Another player no mo boni dimpa o give him pa so no so no money bone wosoro no. Kotoko center back na yi prefim no bae no. Andriansu Nurudin. And so net say.
So na oh no there na omo defense on na nye bad. Ohe Andriansu ne jebo so ro si di pushi. E na Sharif Mohammed. E na na ayi na mi hu ni yi right back no. Ishaq Fuseni. On the name Huni, I'm right back. No, Nicolas was able to start very well on super film.
Nicolas, a hamepa. Boy, no, good form, and a proud not to Jay. On say best started this season. Kotokobo Kadigo, he was one of the best players in that game. And a prior day, I didn't count 1 2 the season. And but Unzo Sapao. Yeah. Now, any age and injuries, as I say, Hano. I don't think it's a good thing for him. And the Ombayan who be a room, no one who be. I'm not so Ibamuno.
Mike Chijam na also be in a dimmer beer who's an doing team manu. Our for guys no. I born number boy and I come here. Sompa somewhere a very good player. Born it down and on so be Ohiamre.
On say on one shed more strong games pa this is once all right to dream kakra no eja ho no ba chronom kakra division 1 division 2. So here time. It's obi one ma the big stadium say no adaptation be here kakra. What I say, for a good side. But I think if Kotoko are doing some of these things to help their players, pressure new almost be brave. But definitely Kotoko supporters is all aware. There are times you need to get the results that they want. But this is Max Okredu, Max Okredu, he knows the team so well. So if Kotoko about draw with his so about where Max Okredu they coach that better. I'm telling you, any other coach like a better Kotoko show.
But there are team where the pie has of folk.
House of folk. Hey, say some more strikers me and some in the bogum. I bet Yonde. Anna Kashala the Ramos. And almost our could do being correct. It almost 3 strikers. So I call them the trilogy. The trilogy. Oh yes. Phobia the trilogy. Phobia the trilogy. Phobia the trilogy. And I'm telling you, would be biaton chen form no woman. Some of the rest season anymore. Me medical can say house of folk backline. Say far. Kruma say back for on paper, back for being one more quality in drum level.
House of folk for
yes.
Kevin Osasibi. Kofi
Agbesima. Livisio Sata.
And
Michael
Ampedu. Oh wow.
Huh? On sa for back.
The matches was different from.
On sa for back. The more thing, Papa.
We have friendly matches different for.
And I make us so on the sun be league anymore. It's not medical.
Abu out the side about Bemfa.
Abu, these people they are too much experience with a friendly match. Keke. Has a full expectation was ropa. Coach now players near the man no Abu. Man Ghana Premier League category A players who. Yes. Agbesimonya category A player. Yeah. Ampedu on category A player. Livius also left backs on category A player. So look at the category A players from the man house of folk. From mo signing some ye. Let's anke 3 kwa cassette so be ka hu. Ana seto se amfa. Ana swerve. Any the video point frane. Upon frane be ka la degrees as we catch. House of folk.
Oga job.
Ala degrees ave go yo.
Oga job.
Pacho adaroba.
Oh, oga job.
Pacho.
Lost it.
They be trying to across the house of folk get the pet. They won't sit in your wood. Oh, but where no use it all? It's not good to use it. Yes. And you're good to use it.
So them now suffocate to Amra. Suffocate to a banner wababetua. So now they are boy my no. In a fair wide Tierra Masia Mapi Mochna, Yabba no pa. Na dia Kibia to Asidama. PK.